to be continuing from my previous video which I already uploaded on my channels. So let's discuss again the accounting equations. Here I am solving the problems, practical problems one by ones. The 6th number question, show the accounting equation on the basis of the following transactions. See the first transactions. I already write here the accounting equations. Asset is equal to liability plus capitals. So see the first transaction, started business with cash rupees 25,000. So when he has started the business with cash, that means the cash will increase by 25,000. At the same times the capitals will increase by 25,000. So right here's cash 25,000 will be increased, and capital side, that means liability side, capital 25,000 will also increase. See the another transactions, purchased machinery from Anita, that means it's purchased on the credit basis. So right here machinery will increase by first transaction, second transaction. How much? 10,000 machinery purchased from Anita on the credit basis. So 10,000 will increase machinery bill, and liability sides, the creditors will increase. So right here 10,000 creditors. Now the third transaction, purchased goods from Arun. This is also the goods purchased on credit basis. So right here goods. Third transaction, how much? 5,000. So here purchase goods, so creditor will increase by 5,000 more. Now the fourth transaction is outstanding rent, 500 rupees. So the outstanding rent will increase by 500, which is paid later, and that will decrease the 500 rupees from the capitals. That is the liability, so it will be deducted from the capitals. Now this is the fourth one. Now total asset side and liability sides, it will be matched to the accounting equations, that is the balance sheets. So now the total cash is 25,000 plus 10,000 machinery plus goods is 5,000. So total is 40,000 assets. Here liability sides, this is 500. So this is 24,500 capitals plus 500 outstanding rent plus 10,000 creditors. Sorry, 10,000 plus 5,000 is 15,000 creditors. Now you add both all, that will be 40,000. Both the side is equal. So new accounting equations is 40,000 assets plus 40,000 liability, that is both sides. Okay, see the another examples. What will be the effect of the following on the accounting equations? So here I write the solutions. Asset is equal to liability plus capitals. See the first transactions. Harish started business with cash rupees 18,000. So right here cash 18,000, that means cash will be increased. On the same times on the liability sides, the capital will also increase by 18,000. Now see the another transaction, purchased goods for cash rupees 5,000, and another on credit basis he purchased 2,000. So first tries when he purchased goods for cash, that means the 5,000 cash will decreased plus goods 5,000 will increased. He also purchased goods on credit for 2,000, so 2,000 goods will increased, and the liability sides the creditor will increased because he purchased on credit basis. So right here 2,000 creditors, it will be paid later. See the another transaction, sold goods for cash rupees 4,000. So the here cash will increase by 4,000. First transaction, second transaction, and that is a third transaction. So when he sold goods for cash 4,000, the cash will increased, and actual cost was the 2,400, but he purchased on 4,000 on cash. So 4,000 minus 2,400, that means 1,600 is a profit. So first deduct 2,400 goods and 1,600, that is a profit, so it will be added to capitals. Now see the another fourth transaction, rent paid rupees 1,000. So when you will pay rent, my arrears cash will decrease by 1,000, and that will be deducted from the capital, so deduct 1,000. Another outstanding 200. So right here the outstanding rent is a liability, so right here 200, and that will be deducted from the capitals. So now add both the side, that will be 16,000 cash remaining plus that will be 4,600, total 20,600 assets, and this sides 18,400 capitals remaining plus 200 outstanding plus 2,000 creditors. 18, 20, 20,600. Both the side is equals. Next, see the another examples. Prove that the following equation is satisfied in all the following transactions of Nitesh. So here is assets, accounting equation is asset is equal to liability plus capitals. So see the first transactions, started business with cash rupees 50,000. So write here cash 50,000 plus goods 20,000, right here goods 20,000, and this sides 50,000 cash and plus 20,000, that means 70,000 capital increased, right here caps to 70,000. Now see the another transaction, both goods for 15,000 and that means that is the cash purchase, and on credit for 10,000. So when we purchase cash purchase, our cash will decrease by 15,000 here, and this sides right here goods 15,000 increased, that is our. Then on credit basis, how much is 10,000. So right here 10,000 goods and creditors 10,000. Now see the another transaction. Goods costing rupees to 24,000 sold at a profit of 33.1 by 3. Okay, and half of the payment received in cash. Okay, so first how much is 24,000 of 33, that means 8,000. 8,000. See, the 24 at the profit of 33 profit, that means the 33.1 by 3 of the 24,000 is 8,000, but the actual cost is 24,000. That means the total 8,000 is a profit, so it should be added to the capital account. Okay, and the goods will be decreased by 24,000. Okay, and this 60,000, that means the 50% of half of the payment received in cash. The total cost is on sales is 24,000 plus 8,000, that will be 32,000. So 32,000 of this amount's half payment will be made. So right here 16,000 paid, that cash will be increased, and 16,000 half is remaining to pay. That means right here debtors. So see the another example, another transaction. Purchase furniture for office use, rupees 5,000. Right here furniture, how much? Furniture purchase for office use 5,000. Right here 5,000. This is your first transaction, second, then third, and then fourth. So when we purchase furniture on cash basis, the cash will be decreased by 5,000. Next see the another's. And he purchased for households use of Nitesh, that means 3,000. So our cash will decrease by 3,000 and it will be deducted from the capitals because it is a use for personal use. So right here total. Now total it 50, 35, 51, 46, 43. Cash remaining is 43, 20 by 35, 45 minus 20 by 21 plus 21,000 goods is remaining, plus debtor is 16,000 plus furniture is 5,000. Total is 85,000 this side, and this side is 70,000 plus 78,000 minus minus 3000, that means 75,000. Capital remaining plus creditor is 10,000. So total is 85,000 remaining. See the another examples. 9. Show the accounting equation on the basis of following transactions. So I write here the accounting equation: asset is equal to liability plus capitals. See, Mr. Arun started business with cash rupees 80,000. So our cash will increase on asset sides. So 80,000 I write here. On the same times our capital, that means proprietor's capital for 80,000 also increase. Then purchase goods for cash 30,000. So when we purchase on the cash basis, our goods will increase by 30,000, but the cash will decrease by 30,000. Then third transaction, sold goods costing rupees 20,000 at a profit of 25,000. So 25,000 of 20,000 is a 5,000. Okay. So I can write the note. 20,000 into 0.25,000 into 5,000 plus 20,000. So total is 25,000. So purchase sales. So right here cash will comes when we sold the goods. The cost was 25,000 at the rate of profit of 25,000. That means he sell the goods at 25,000. So the 25,000 cash will increase. The cost was 20,000 only. It will be deducted, and the 25 minus 20,000, that means 5,000 is a profit. So it will be included in capital account. Okay. Then fourth questions. Purchase goods on credit 10,000. So our goods will increase by 10,000, and that is on credit basis. So our creditor, right here creditor, 10,000 will increase. Okay. Withdraw cash for private use. So deduct fifth number, deduct 5,000 cash withdrawal, and it's a personal use, so it deduct from the capital accounts. So both the side totals, this will be 80,000 minus 30,000, 50,000 plus 25,000, 75,000 minus 5,000. That is a cash is remaining in business 70,000. Here goods is a 30,000 plus minus 20,000. That means 10,000 plus 10,000 plus 20,000. So this side is 80,000, sorry 90,000 assets, and this side's capital at the beginning 80,000 minus this profit will be 85,000 minus 5,000. That will be the 80,000 capitals is same, and creditor is 10,000. So 90,000. Both the side is equal. Asset is equal to the liability. So see the another one more transaction, one more examples. here. 10th now, prepare accounting equation on the basis of following transactions. Govind started business with cash 20,000 and machine for 50,000. So right here cash will increase how much? 70,000 plus machine how much? 50,000. So 70,000 plus 50,000, the proprietor's capital increased by 120,000. Then it's over. Then second transaction, purchase goods on credit, rupees 32,000. So here right here goods, he purchased goods 32,000. That means it will be, goods will be increased. Here the creditor will increase by 32,000. Okay, first transaction, second transaction and third transaction. See the third transaction, payment made to creditors in full settlement of rupees 30,400. So cash will come in business 30,400. That means cash will be increased, and full settlement of this will be 32,000 in full settlement. That means 32,000 minus 30,400, 1,600 is profit. He given the discounts while payment made. So right here 1,600 profit. See the another transactions, interest on drawings 600. So interest on drawing, it is an expenses, so capital will be reduced, and interest on capital is a credited to the capital account, hence it will increase capital too. In fine, interest on capital will increase the capital, at the same sometimes decrease the capital. So we can leave that items, but because one side it will increase the capitals, another time it will decrease the capital. So better we can leave that, it will be remains the capitals. So see the this fourth items, it will be nil. Another example, depreciation on machinery. Fifth transaction is a depreciation of money. Actually depreciation is treated as a loss in the value of assets, so it reduces the assets and capital at the same times. So we reduce the machinery for 5,000 as a capital, from the machinery. On the same times the also capital will be decreased. Now total both the side, 70,000 plus 30,400. Let's see, this is a minus. I'm sorry. The cash will be decreased while payment that amount. So that will be 39,600 remaining the cash, plus 45,000 machinery value, plus goods is at 32,000, total 116,600 total capitals at the end of new accounting equations. Now see the capital side, that means liability sides, 120,000 plus 1,600 minus 5,000. That will be 116,600. This is a minus, I'm sorry. This minus this is a nil. So the character is a nil. Now both the side we can see the equal. So we are just solving these types of problems because it will be clear the fundamentals concept of the accounting equations.